Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Greetings, man. Greetings, Aya.
Mighty man there.
Oh.
How is the man?
Aye.
How is the man?
Cool running.
Cool running, man.
Food for the kings.
Aye.
Cali weed, man. Cali weed. We use the Cali weed, man. The Rasta man use Cali weed. Yes, I. Puff and pass Rasta. Give thanks, man.
So you cool king.
Sizokunxusa lapha mahlalela sivula isonto lapha isonto labo Rasta lapha. I think uko yizi eWhite House lapha. Lesonto labo Rasta lapha neselivuliwe lapha.
Amarasta.
Abo Rasta wathi phela kulokholo lukhona phela. We believe in King Selassie I the first. Umtshele mntawethu.
You know, King Rastafarianism as a movement, you know.
Yes, I.
You know, we worship Jah Rastafari. You see one look, this look there, as a message of unity.
But when I press ukufeli half la uthi sikho.
Mahlalela lapha senzile ukuthi antu yakwazi ukuthi vele oRasta uyambona uSamson. uSamson eBhayibheli wani. Lalili Nazarite. iNazarite phela ngumuntu okagundi inwele. Ungacheka khona phala eBhayibhelini yakuthola kwampa. Samson wayeliNazarite. uJesu yena ngokwakhe. wayeliNazarite. wayengurasta yena lana umuntu nje. Ukuthi kuphela abasakuchazanga ngendlela yini. So besithi sikunxuse la ubuye khona ngale.
So amarasta liya preacher lani liya sonta liyavula amaBhayibheli.
Yes, eleqiniso iBhayibheli.
I think, you know, I think that Rastafarianism, what we do is symbolic. You
Yes,
see,
sir. Yes, sir.
number one, our strands of locks are black. It means that power to the black man.
Yes, sir.
And number two is not combed with the Afro comb, whatever, meaning that the colonizers colonized our grandfathers. They had no time to comb their hair and it locked up and become locks. There. Number two, a lock, one single lock, as you see this one, as you see this one there,
Yes,
as you
sir.
see
Yes,
this
sir.
one,
Yes, sir.
it's made of many different strands, but they come together to make
yeah.
one look. We speak unity. You know what I must say there. You know,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
We use also
unity,
Cali
peace.
Mina ngikhala ngesintu, isintu singalahla amasiko.
Yeah, but we just taking it from the Jamaican side. But mase sikuletha ngeqiniso.
Yeah.
Uburasta vele bekuvele kuyinto yesintu. Ibutho likadingiswayo. Pass it me brother. Ibutho likadingiswayo mawungazi. Lali kuthiwa imnyeko. Mase sikutshintsha sesikhuluma iphathwa kebe sekuyiJamaica sesithi ngamadread. Kodwa ngesintu imnyeko.
So Rasta